Hello guys, I hope you're having an amazing day today. After a really easy trading weekend, we had multiple trades with high probability. And now I want to show you what is the most important thing in your trading. It's the planning, okay? Because in our group you are getting a trading plan, okay? If you are not experienced enough, you are still beginner or maybe advanced trader too, but you must have really good trading plan. If you do not have it, you can of course use the plan I produce. This is the key for me. When I'm producing it, it takes at least 1 hour a day, even more. Today was like 2 hours because I was checking many levels. It is the key to have trading plan in your mind, the trading levels in your mind, and be ready for any outcome of the price. You don't even need to know where the price heads. You need to know what to do when price comes to your level. Trading plan will help you greatly about that, okay? And now I want to show you trades we had in the group during the weekend, and we were prepared for any outcome, okay? I was saying in the group, like, you know, remember in a Friday video I said we have good monthly close, bullish monthly close in my eyes, and I want to see the supports hold, so I will show you what I mean by that. So this was the monthly close. It was really good close. When we closed, I already marked the level as naked monthly because it's naked for us now, and we can expect a bounce when we reach the level. And now we are approaching and we are starting to close and trade above this monthly. Now this monthly is very important for me. It is showing us bullish bias in the market for scalpers, for day traders, and for there is no swing here, but for day traders and scalpers for sure. I said in the group, take profit to hit. It was also monthly, which I said will be key for trading bias to the upside on Friday and on the video. And we can see what else we had here. It was Friday naked point of control, so double confluence, and I think there was a fibs there, maybe other levels as well. I want to show you what I remember, so let's go to Bybit. Let's go over here. Like, you can scalp here, of course, no problem, but you need to be aware of bigger market supports and take appropriate trades from it, okay? Do not miss opportunity. This was, you know, you need to have alerts on levels like this. Also, Fibonacci there. 0.86, very close. So another layer of support. Look at the reaction. Strong monthly, perfect touch. You have very limited risk. In 10 minutes you are in big profit. You can book stop loss money, okay? And now the trade is free and you can just chill, okay? Like, we went through VWAP, which was very good sign, and then you just waited for the top of this range, or even if you had more patience, you will be waiting for other levels I was mentioning in the group. Perfect trade over here. That's how is important, and that's how market context is very important. Now I have very clean chart for you, and I will be building this chart for you and with you, so we can prepare for any potential trades to the downside. So now we can see we have naked monthly, very good level already. Now we need to go to the weekly, because today we closed weekly. We closed week yesterday, so what I said in the group, let's search it. Weekly, I think it was somewhere here. 1 hour to close above the 47.8 weekly. I was saying in the group it was a very important level for me. Where is the level? Here is the level. Because you know you have another type of traders which are watching weekly. You need to know what they want to do. You can already see we had amazing trade from the weekly, and I want to show why. I said in the group, similar story as with the monthly we had. Asia traders got gift to long this important weekly. Trading is very simple now. Stay above this weekly, and I look for scalp longs. Losing it can lead to further downside. If you lose monthly too, bears can have their move. Exactly. Let's go to Bybit. Trading is no magic. Trading is no future telling, you know. Trading is no prophecies. You can trade easy when you have good levels and trading plan, you know, in your head. That's it, you know. So look here. Asia traders got really good gift and amazing perfect reaction from market. It's also market structure weekly, so I just call it like that. It's very good, and they were really comfortable to long this because they know they have strong monthly below it, okay? We've traded it once, but I think it's still strong enough to hold another push. Maybe when we do swing failure pattern of this low, then we will get and stop at a strong monthly level. Very nice. Perfect reaction. You had bounce off. I would close for sure as a scalper. As a scalper, you will be closing pretty fast to earn for your stop loss. Golden zone, getting rejection. First take profit here for, let's say, 0.7%. Amazing. And now you put stop loss to the low, and it was also swing failure pattern of this low, which is amazing. Okay, you always search for those little local swing failure patterns. So take profit one, two, take profit one here, and second take profit. You have a lot of chop around, so you can take it over here. It was another golden zone. You can already see that without fips. There's no magic. Golden zone, take profit two. You already booked like 70% of the trade. You are keeping the position from the weekly. Because you always ask me what are the strong levels. These is strong levels from higher time frames, you know. Even scalpers must respect them and they must know about them. Now you are retracing, you will make Fibonacci from this low to this high. And you can add to your, if you are positioned here, you can easily add to position here or here, and you will be averaging somewhere here, but you are still very safe. You can see it didn't even hit textbook stop loss here because it's in the middle. So stop loss survived and it was protected. And you are getting what? You are getting another big pump. Like, I hate bias, I hate predictions, but I know some certain things, like when you trade above two of these levels, bigger traders, they are looking to buy and go in. And that's what is happening all day today. Look here. And now we went into major 50-minute golden zone. Look here. Amazing, perfect reaction. That was your take profit area. You must have alerts. That was your short as well. Look here, scalp short for 1.20%. You can take many trades. That's why you never feel fear of missing out with us, in our group. There is no way. There are 20 trades a day or 10 trades a day, and most of them can be winners if you choose correct levels. You don't want to get chopped here. You will be taking higher like levels as well. Amazing reaction. The shorts, you know, they might made money and maybe we continue up. You know, I still, because there is the thing, we made a big push over the weekend, but the markets usually loves to retest all the bigger movements during the weekend. This was on a big volume. Just for 60 million is not bad for a minute, but still overall on the exchange this was low volume. So we might retest the high and see if we get swing failure pattern here or continuation up. Very simple. Market just didn't have enough power because where we stopped the weekend, look here. I want to show you how you can predict the market. It was the big value area high. Where I get that level from? Let's go here. Oh, this one is not loading. Never mind. I will merge it here. I just want to show you. I want to show you, for example, even today. You have this is the 3-day range which we need to merge because we are going just sideways. And you can see even today as we went into our weekly, or here and here, we are holding previous day value area high and also 3-day value area low. So we are holding the level, and you know, right now we are above this POC, which is bullish sign, and now either we go over this VAH and go to the high, so we just stop here and go to the POC to retest then up. You can take you can take many range trades easy. Now I will show you. I need to go to 1 hour. So even in a big volatility move, you can predict where we top out, and it was here. And look at the reaction; it was more than 3% down from this perfect reaction. What was important to do here was really take profit for any longs you have. I booked a lot of profits. I had actually, in this area, I had automatic take profit set for Daytrader and swing. And if you are scalping and you have alert and you are aware what is happening here, that's what you want to see. You have a big volume here, weak. Now you are ejecting close to the VAH. So you can actually short here. This is a more risky short than this one. So you can short here on secondary high. As you are starting to get some kind of structure, so market and traders can work with it. It was 0.86, tight stop loss 0.5%. And now you are waiting it for to play out. And also, as you are starting to lose major swing failure pattern, you can start adding to short here, or actually when you lose this low is even better. This is much better because this is a low which tried to go away from swing failure pattern area. But yeah, when we lose this low, you can see the reaction. This was the major adding to short. So very easy trade. I want to show you where I get that big VAH from and why it's so important. Because for the past 2 months we are ranging, like we have local ranges, but we have huge range for the past 2 months. So we need to merge all together, all the ranges together to get those levels. Let's go 30. Okay, the range is going to the 27th of August, so here is 29, okay, 20 more days, let's go. We need to go to 1 hour, yep, there's no history there, just go like this. Needs to load a bit. 20. I had it prepared, but it was frozen. Exocharts not working well on Chrome. The moment. Okay, now it's loading. Okay, cool. 18 more days. And 2 more merges. That's it. 1, 2. So here we are. I want to zoom out. Here we are. So this is the range. This is the big range we are currently for the past 2 months, and now you need to really mark value area high, because it's for people, for traders who are trading, who are buying the value area low of this big range and also the lows here. For them it will be the big target. There was no huge selling volume here, but there was a lot of taking profit here. So only just on take profit you went down really a lot. So yes, scalpers selling, bigger traders taking profit. So easy, you know. Now we can also see we have really good support at 46k. What is worrying about this only, because it's really good, but we just shoot through, and now we have a lot of single prints here. So when you go to your trading plan, now let's build some potential day trades for us, so we can see, because scalping we can take any time, but day trades must be, you know, you must have chart ready for it. Also, one more thing I want to show you where we topped out was the big pitchfork. Okay, this pitchfork pull is going from very important low at 20th of July. You are making pivot to higher high and then to the major low, and now we have really good pivot. Okay, so now we can see this zone should be really good support when we get retracement here. It's also aligning with market structure supports. Very nice. So let's hide the pitchfork for now, and let's start marking levels to the chart. So I now go to trading plan because I already marked it. So big range POC is at 45,891. Okay, like this. POC, big range, 45,891. 45,891. All right. Cool. So I think this should be really good support. What is only concerning me about this support is we didn't trade much there. We need to go over here. This is our main trending template, and we can see a lot of fingerprints here. It happened on most of the exchanges. Look here, there is zero volume here. There is zero volume. So risk for this trade is we might just because single prints are support when you come to them on the first touch. So we either get bounce here from the top of the single prints because a lot of people are trapped. This was major swift move, or we start feeling them. So, and when we start feeling them, then this POC, I need to really watch the reaction on the POC, because we might start feel all of the single prints. So you must be aware about this when you have it like this. In my eyes, we have better support down there, but yes, we will go over it. So we have POC of the big range marked. Also what I must check is daily support. Let's go for dailies. All right. Like here trading, we will not discuss anymore. The trading up here, it's pretty range bound and very simple. We just want to, if we get pullback, we want to be ready for the pullback here. So let's go here. So we see we have daily here. Will define our ranges. Daily, and this one is naked, so we need to mark it's naked. Okay, and I consider this daily. And now we need to go here, template. We will mark it as market structure because it is market. We will see. It's older daily. It's no longer naked, but it is good to have it on a chart. It is really good to have it on a chart because there might be really good reaction from it. You can see it was clearly decisive point here and here, so it must be marked on chart. So daily are marked. Let's go to 4 hour. For our support, we see, okay, I will mark this one. It works similarly as daily, all right? So I see really good one here. It already gave trade, but it's fine. For our cool. So you are marking the levels. Now let's go. Now you can also mark this naked point of control. I think there will be a lot of liquidity because there was some nice trading in this level. So we will be marking this point of control here. It's naked, so reaction is expected. 44,887. Cool. Coordinates 44,887. Naked session book. Text bottom Oh, okay, we can do top. This is looking already as a good level because we have market structure support here and also market structure daily and naked session point of control. Already very good level for scalpers. Very easy. It will be acting as support after we fill single prints, so good to know. And now we have the Asia and New York together. So what is the value? 43,567. $43,567. And one more at it's Asia and it is 43,567. Now with this one we have, so New York over here 43,057. 43,057. Very nice, it's aligning with our 4-hour support. Another good level is forming. Nice to see. Cool. So naked point of controls are marked. Now you truly need good Fibonacci pulls from the trading plan. So we have first Fibonacci pull over here. There will be low the levels on the chart, but what we can do, I want to show you. And of course we have one more, which is coming from this low. Nice, very nice. Oops. Let's extend them more so they are not there with numbers. Okay. It's also good to mark previous point of control 47. We have already marked this one, 47k. Now what do you need? What else you need is, of course, we go to a lower time frame, 15 minutes. I'm just showing you how you can build your day trade. You need anchor view up from this top because it was very important one. You need anchored view up from this low. As this was the low, we finally started a big move up. Let's change the color. Okay, so we have this anchor view up we have, very good. Oops. Also, what is important now, you are clearly seeing this was the previous day range. It was the previous range we had, okay? So you need to, I have this range prepared here, I think. Not here. Let's go here. Now we are finally getting some move. Very nice. This was your previous range of trading. So now you want to see if market makes pullback, if it actually bounces from the value area high of that range or POC, okay? So we need to really merge them. So let's go. This is going to be easy merge. 5, 5. Very good. And you need to mark this value area high, 43,912. I will hide those FIPS. Oh, okay. So let's go market 43. Save this template of Bach. So let's go 43,912. And we can do market profile here, so we know what is it coming from. Mean fixed range, so here from here like this. Also, yes, this is, you know, I pulled. Just do starting point from here. It was pulled from Exocharts, okay? So this is the volume. This is based on volume, and this VAC is based on TPO, so time price opportunity. Okay, we can copy the level and put it on. $41,812 in case we get a deeper pullback. Nice, and I think we can start one more anchor viva up from this top. We will see if we get reactions, but for now, oh, there was not so much reaction, so we need volume to build up more. You can see the chart is already getting crowded, yes. But with this simple setup, I can go with much more, like more levels. I think we can also place this one. Okay. So I think, yes, this is it, you know, you don't need to overcomplicate. This is for like few tools you used, and you already, it's showing you very good levels of support. You can see first one over here with anchored view up, you know, golden zone 0.5 for big and pool. We have also naked session point of control on market structure daily. This is your first nice support. Also, you will feel all the single prints when we get there. Very nice. And of course, you use other charts, you know, you will make other anchored view ups as well. Also, we have, for example, monthly view up. We have new monthly view up. This is this chart I use just for bigger anchored VWAPs. We can see we have a lot of anchored VWAPs in this area now. Now they are support. Here is also yearly VWAP waiting us at 45,909. it's best just to go to Bybit and mark all these levels to your chart, so it's not overcrowded on one chart. So big supports here already. Really, first big support for us is 46k, but we have single pins there, so we will see. And then we have this zone. And the major supports is starting for us at from 44k to 43k. A lot of levels there. You can find more confluences with more tools over here. I'm just showing you like what I consider pretty important tools. So I will keep it like this, and I need to mark it to my Bybit. And now you have the zones, okay? You merge your ranges. Also above us, I want to remind you, we have very strong monthly point of control, and it is naked as we close month very fresh. So this is waiting to be for very good scalp. We have a lot of stop losses above 50k. It's always like this. You have a lot of stop losses under 40k. You have always stop losses above 50k, psychological level. So if we make a lot of, like we make push above 50k and into the naked point of control, this can give really good bounce. I will be looking at least for $200-300. Maybe we stabilize above 50k. We will see. Ideal reaction is go to this level, reject it, and go below 50k for bigger profit. That's what I will be looking for based on this. I think we have not much on daily. Our first daily is starting much lower, 43k. This is another level you need to mark in your charts, and it will be additional confluence for this long area here. 43k. You have naked daily. And weekly I think there is nothing, no weekly. Yeah. And when we go to main trading template, another thing I want to show you, which is giving additional power to the naked session point of control, is this. Let's go to this template. Session block TPO. It's much clearer here, and we can go much more to history. I like when you have naked point of control going into the very close to the another one, so it's like it's a good support. And also here you can see point of control here, like you have this is gonna be really good support for us. 43k. Like I can already see that, you know. Two naked session point of controls together, and two like on this template. Sometimes what you need to do is go to here, settings, and you need to switch volume profile to based on volume. So if you see something changing, you know, and here is not much change, but I think you are already seeing here we have emerging volume naked point of control at 48,950, another level to be marked. That's it. So we have pretty nice plan. It's kinda messy here, so sorry about it, you know. You can clearly see a lot of supports where we can bounce. Now you have these levels, and you will be watching you will watch order books. If you of course any order can be cancelled, but you want to have some orders in the area of your interest. And I see already very good order here at 43,650. And we have one order at 46k, so 46k might give really really small scalp, or maybe bigger one, we will see. Nice to see. And we can still see we have the major supports below us. Yes, they never got filled, most of them. I like to watch Bitfinex, but you can go over any exchange and check. Now we will go to hyblock, and you will check your liquidity to the upside and to the downside. We can clearly see, just start this one. On hyblock, we can clearly see we didn't build much for liquidity to the upside at the moment. All liquidity, most of the liquidity is above the highs. So it's over there, and but below, you know, below we have big liquidity. So in my eyes, it would be very wise for market to go first down and then go up to grab everything. And as we know from liquidity trading, the big liquidity voids usually leads to temporary bottoms or bigger bottoms. Smaller node here from those traders here, but the bigger node is already here. You can clearly see that. Nice. So we, you know, 45k. Yes, so this is aligning with when we fill single prints, you know, we will stop at 45k. So very nice to know. Okay, and now we will go. So liquidity we checked. You also go to your trading plan and check what other levels you need to mark to buy bit. So as we have strong anchored view up here, 44,438 from 20th of July. This is from 29k bottom. This is going to be a very strong one. Another confluence for our zones. And also usually the market, this is the value area high of previous range down there. So I would like to see bounce from this area as well. I would like to see bounce from this area, so we do not return to the previous range and pok. So here is another scalp. Also, what we can do here. This is not so updated chart. I just want to show you to the upside, also the potential to the upside. Here we have really big trend line. So if we claim this trend line above 50k, I expect for the upside, maybe something like this, and then claiming the support and up. That would be really bullish sign, because this trend line can open doors to 56 to 58k. We have 0.86 from major pull here, so we will see small confluence. Also, what I want to show you. I will be watching if we get a deeper pullback. I will be watching those two broken trend lines. If we get nice bounce from it, they are going quite deeper, but now we can see they are like under 43k now for sure if price goes down. But yeah, it would be, if we get over here, it will be pretty bearish, but already we can bounce from those to get scalp. So it's very important to know. So I think you know, you can see how I prepare, you know, for day trades at least. I'll be watching, and the last thing you really need to understand, because when you arrive to your trading zone, you want to watch order flow in Exocharts and see if you get good confirmation from Exocharts as well. So why not? Also, one more thing I want to show you. Over this weekend, you could easily trade. Even today, you had a lot of trades from the range trading, volume val, volume back, and as we are going sideways, you can merge all sessions together. You can see where is the market considering fair value to buy. You can see market fair value to short and to book profits from long. So you know, easy. This template very useful. And lastly, I want to show where is the scalping template. So this should be also a priority for you as a scalper and day trader to master. This can help you really a lot with your trading. So if you approach your levels, you have the mark. This must be your second monitor for sure. Even today we had pretty okay top, you know. Order flow was telling you there's chance we might top out here. There was a lot of imbalances buying, not huge volume, but a lot of imbalances, you know. Longs getting wrecked slowly, and then, you know, absorptions at these highs. I think it was very important for the market, for example, to trap these 6 million longs here and then continue down below them, so you can squeeze them. So because you had not so many new longs here, then big shorts came. 6 million started, you know, when it started downtrend. Really good candle, middle of the bottom, middle of the volume is in the middle. What you always like to see when you have a downtrend. Again, or top of the candle for the shorts, and you're going down. And now that 5.5 million traders, they were closing probably here. You can see very close, 5.5 million. And we still head down because down there is much more liquidity. We will see, but we are still in the range, so we trade the range until it breaks. Very simple to say. Nice. And also I want to show you where was here's the new session. I think this was, what was the time? 6:05. I want to show you how you could easily use in your advantage order flow. Where was the weekly touch? 6:0. Yes, it was over here. So you approach the support I was giving to the group. Look here, a lot of selling, like longs are closing into, and now you are seeing huge absorption. Look here, 2 million with zero, like unfinished auction, 6 million, 12 millions on the short side already, plus those two, like 50 million we can say together. Everybody got absorbed here, easy. It was the weekly, so that's what you want to see. That is really good indication of, you know, the support is holding.